How to delete a post on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. To delete a post on TikTok, you can follow these simple steps. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and navigate to your profile section. Here, scroll through your videos and select the one you want to remove. I only have one video available, so I'm tapping on it. Once you tap on the video, you can see three dot icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. And all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon. Now scroll to the right on the bottom menu and tap delete trash can icon. And confirm by tapping delete again when prompted. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.